channel. This is Blessy.
Hi.
She is currently pursuing MBBS in a foreign country, and we are going to do an interview today. I have written written like few questions, so it will be very useful for you guys. So those who wants to go to foreign country to do MBBS, is it worth or not? How much to spend, and everything we are going to know about this video. It's going to be so useful. If you're planning to do MBBS in a foreign country, just watch the video from the beginning to the end. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So now she'll be introducing about herself. So, Blessy.
Hello guys. Actually, I did my MBBS. I'm currently doing my MBBS in Mauritius, which is near East Africa. So it's a far away. It's a little far from India. So I joined my college. It's called Anna Medical College. It's located in Montblanc, Mauritius. The place is very good. I went there only for not for study, to roam around.
Oh, when she joined, she told me that I'm going to Mauritius, and then I was like, then she told me it's a travel kind of a destination place. So she was like, I will be roaming here and there. The beaches are so famous. The location is so nice, and she told me that place for trekking also is really nice. So perfect.
The treks, the sunset, the beaches, the vibe, the whole place is amazing. Because if you guys are coming, let me know.
So if you guys want to visit, just
contact
this lady. You will get to know. Let's jump into the questions, guys. I have written like for some 10 questions. Anyway, this video will be a little longer because she'll be telling about the experience. So please, students who wants to see, do MBBS, see this video. Okay, first question. How was your MBBS experience in foreign country?
It was best, but my college is not that great. It's mid, so I would say like the external environment was good because every Saturday I get off. I go out, roam, come back. Sunday is break time. So
I think colleges in India, they have MBBS people. They do work in Saturday. I think so.
Yeah, they have Saturday. Only like one or two Saturdays.
I think that's off. So they have like
advantage.
Advantage.
One mark one. India 0.
Second question: is MBBS difficult? This is the most common question.
I would say like MBBS is difficult, but it depends on your focus, your discipline. If you're not disciplined, don't join MBBS, please. Please don't kill patients.
True. I think if you are really interested and if you really wanted to become a doctor, then only I think pursue MBBS. But like I want to do because everyone is jumping into that field, so I'll also go.
See,
it's not like that.
The thing is, your family should be well enough and they should be patient enough for you to join MBBS. Plus, it takes a lot of years to finish it. So, seeing right now, all of my friends have almost done PGs and it's still in UG. You need. See, breaks in MBBS is common. Like 1 or 2 years breaks is common. But more than 2 years is not good. You're not in a good state. The thing is, first is finance. Second is patience. Third is you need to be focused. See, you need to be focused. You need to be disciplined. Like I need to study 2 hours daily or minimum 2 to 3 hours daily. It will be fine. You will be in the safe side. If you're passing in the borderline, you consider yourself very good.
Okay.
It's okay because my mom used to say, my mom is a doctor as well, so she used to say people who do theory well don't get to do sutures well. So if you have good practical knowledge, you won't be having a theoretical knowledge. It depends on each person, but you need to have both of them balanced. You shouldn't have 130% and the rest 70%. No. You should at least be like 40 and 60. It's okay. You should balance your theory and practical. So it's hard. Some people don't have practical knowledge. Some people don't have theoretical knowledge, 0. Don't come to me. But I learn.
So guys, make sure you balance both.
Yeah.
Third question: how much will you earn when you study in a foreign country versus when you pursue MBBS in India? What is the difference when you earn?
Like, see, if you go to Dubai, New Zealand or US or Canada, if you clear their exams and then go, the pay depends. Like, see, if you see over there, they are paying more. But in India, it's very less because it depends on the economy of the country. So, the pay for MBBS first degree is less compared to if you do your PG, you do a super specialty and then go. It's good. So I would say like it's more about patience because you need to study another degree. You need to have patience again. So it's better if you do a degree again, like a PG, do a PG and then go for work. That would be good. That's my thought. But if you are interested, like if you feel like one degree is enough for me, then you can go ahead with that.
Guys, be careful. Fourth question: is doing MBBS worth outside India? Yeah, I didn't expect this answer from her.
Yeah, because India is a little bit lagging because of the taxes and all the problems here. Plus, if you go outside, you'll have more cleaner and better instruments for compared to the US, UK, Canada. But there are a lot of private colleges in India which are good, but not government, not government.
All these facts are a little new for me. I really don't know anything about MBBS because I'm completely in the engineering side. She's in
But
the
she took
medical field.
biomax. But she took
Yeah, I will tell you, I took biomax only because it's to be in a safer side. I can jump to medical and I can jump to engineering as well. So I took biomax for that alone. But I didn't go to medical side. I just wanted to do engineering. So I went. So we both are completely opposite. Like she's like engineering and medical versus engineering. Now question number 5. How much you have to pay from your pocket to study there?
From my pocket,
Yep.
like it depends on your college, plus the college you choose. I heard like Georgia is 70 lakhs. Mauritius is 50. My college is 50. Then I'm not sponsoring my college. No. It's fine. It's okay.
50 lakhs.
Yeah. 50
So I think minimum is 50 to 70 lakhs.
yeah. if
For
you
the
go-
whole course or for a year?
For the whole course.
Okay. I thought like, what for a year they're spending this much. Okay, for a course you have to spend like 50 to 70 lakhs. Make it ready. Like how about in UK, US? Is it the same amount?
You can't apply US because you need to clear their exam. So I think Georgia is the only place you can go.
You know Sai Pallavi, she did her MBBS there, so I know that. She did her MBBS from Georgia, I guess. So from that I came to know. Okay, then about the visa process. How was your visa process?
I didn't do anything. College did.
Oh, the college did everything.
Yeah. I'm paying already too much for that college.
Fine. So I think it depends on the college. I think so. So everything they did it out there as well. Question number 7. Are people there friendly to Indian students? Very important question.
They are very friendly. Plus, they're all tourist guides. So basically, their income depends on tourist people. So they're very welcoming. They're very jolly and they're very fun. You need to go to the cruise actually.
Cruise. Okay.
The cruise are amazing. They have catamaran. It's called catamaran. They have like morning cruise, evening cruise, sundowners, DJ parties.
Oh, madam's like enjoying. She's like studying and enjoying.
I'm gonna
How was your friends there? Means like was it a good like?
snake bubbles.
I know the answer for this question, but still I'm asking because you guys should get to know about her experience.
Every college course should know that first year if you go, first year friends, don't trust them. They won't come till final year. Have one good friend and one opposite gender good friend. Sorry. Niche love
Actually, this is I think universal.
One male good friend and one female
Good friend.
That's enough. Others are like third people.
This is what she's meaning. Snake.
Yeah. Plus have good contacts with your back home friends.
Okay.
It's very important. Apro ஊருக்கு வந்தோடனே you'll be like who they'll tease you if you get fat, but still.
Yeah, means this is a universal law. I think so. First years you will be roaming with 10 to. I myself was roaming with 15 to 20 people. Not 50 to 20. I think 10 to 15 people in the first year, and then it became like half. And then there was COVID. No one was in contact. Literally no one. And then in 4th year, I barely had like 4 friends, and they are the best. So I think less number of people, the more.
Guys,
Good call.
first thing if you go to college is self-love, and then comes your friendship.
Uh-huh.
First is self-love. If you know how to survive alone, you don't need people.
Yeah, true.
There are a lot of times that I've eaten alone. It's good.
Oh.
It's not crazy. It's like if you grow, the more older you grow, the more you'll know about yourself first, and then you prioritize others.
True. Like when we were young, like we are friends from a
From
very
third
long time. We were third standard. We were literally third
A
standard.
decade plus friends.
We were like more than a decade. So from I mean now we are like 23. We were friends from 7. Like 7 or 6, I think. We were
7
like
years
7
old.
years old. We got to know when we were 7 years old. From that time we are friends. So I really know like her change. That time we used to be very funny and all.
I got fat. She got straight shape.
It's very good moment after long years. She's in foreign country, I'm here, and then we got along and we are making this video, so it's a little nice. Okay, now let's jump to the next question. Did you face any discrimination among students or among people?
Actually, it's better if you know Hindi.
Hindi, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
because Mauritius mostly they are Indians, but they all speak Hindi well. They know Hindi well more compared to Tamil. Plus, oh shit, I don't have their currency right now. It's written in their currency in Hindi, Tamil, I think French, and then one more language. So 4 or 5 languages there in their currency. She can add it here. I can't do that. Sorry guys, I didn't bring it. Plus, if you know another extra language, for example, my college is a South Indian based college, but still I know a lot of Hindi people. But people who don't know Hindi take time to adjust. So it's better if you know one more language plus bonus because you can interact with a lot of people.
True. So guys, take notes. Now moving on to next question. How is the food? Food is very important question. How is the food there? Is Indian food available there?
Yeah, Indian food is available, but same taste, no. Ghatiya taste.
Food.
The problem there is you don't get like everything is imported. Like you get it from the foreign country. They don't make it. So I don't know. You don't get food, but every foreign country you go to, it's hard. Food you can't serve. At least the view is good, guys. Please go there.
Means she told me like it will take it's just 1 lakh for the whole family to travel there and visit there.
Two acha only.
Two or more.
One to two. 1 to 2.
Okay.
Family only, you know.
Okay, 1 to 2 guys. So if you guys want to spend some money
Yeah,
in a good
I
country,
know a lot of people. So you guys can come and tell my name.
if you guys want to travel, just ask her advice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Next, your advice to people who wants to pursue MBBS. No, before that, what about the eligibility criteria? They do they consider like 12th or 10th marks for admission?
Actually, they check because MBBS is a valuable degree. Plus, it's very high value degree. Plus you handle a lot of patients and like a lot of people. So it's a very priceless degree. So the thing is, you need to have marks, guys. You can't just join.
So minimum, how many percent should they maintain?
I think 70 to 80 is good. It's fine.
70 to 80 is like pretty common now. So
Yeah, it's fine.
yeah.
See, the thing that I said, some people get theory good marks, some people do practical good, like surgery, sutures. They see blood and they'll be like, oh, jam, clean it up. Put some betadine, clean it.
Oh, okay.
So some people, it depends on the person. Plus 80% depends on the person itself. If they're focused and shouldn't be money minded. Guys, don't be money minded. I know they're asking a lot of money for studying, but it shouldn't be money minded.
Okay. So, oh my god. So maintain at least nowadays. Like my personal advice also, if you want to go to placements in engineering stream, maintain above 70% or 75% is good because
Yeah.
when companies come, they ask for eligibility criteria like 75% up. You should apply only after 75%. So you will be filtered there itself if you are not above that percentage. So like nowadays, it's very 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 common for everyone to score above 70 to 75% above than that.
Down in comment section would 70 kilo அப்படினா talent switch போங்க. That's why actually go to a beautician right now for wedding that they're charging you for like minimum 30k to face க்கு paint அடிக்கிறதுக்கு 30k for one person.
For one person.
I would say even as a doctor you can't earn that in one sitting. Like see, if you buy 10 to 20 products, you can use it for 10 people. Okay, so each time if you spend, it's like 1,000 from your pocket. Travel or 1,000 minimum. Sapadu 1,000 now, 2,000 now. So each sitting 2,000 now you are spending, but you get how much? 8,000? No, 30,000 now. 28,000, 27,000. You get in your pocket. So it's a good field. I was also thinking about it. If I don't become a doctor, proper doctor.
If you don't become next question. If you don't become a doctor, what else you would become? A beautician.
We both were so into modeling. She was into modeling. I was into fashion designing.
We were talking like this for a long time. I want to become this, and she want to become. And we used to in our childhood also. We used to play that that haircut games, beauty applying games, all this kind of things. We were so engaged.
We used to watch all those models walking like
We had good discussion there.
Yeah, I used to from third standard till 8th or 9th, I was saying fashion design.
Yeah, she told me I want to become a fashion designer. I want to do this.
No. Broke people.
So your advice to people who wants to pursue MBBS?
It depends on you first. Second thing is you need to love yourself because வீட்டில் சொல்கிறாங்க தாத்தா சொல்கிறாரு பாட்டி சொல்கிறாரு பாட்டி சாவில் வந்து சொல்லிட்டாங்க ஓகேவா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் நீ ஃபோக்கஸ்டாக இருந்தால் தான் பண்ணணும் இல்லைன்னா பண்ணக்கூடாது ப்ளஸ் யூ வில் கெட் அ லாட் ஆஃப் ட்ரையல்ஸ் இன் பிட்வீன் லைக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் போவாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் எண்டில் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் போவாங்க செகண்ட் இயரில் யூ நோ ஹவு பெயின்ஃபுல் லைஃப் இஸ் பிகாஸ் தென் இஃப் யூ ஸ்டே இன் அப்ராட் first thing money won't stay in your hand, plus it's a foreign country, nobody's going to give you money, plus if you ask somebody money then you have to give them back, plus you need to cook for yourself, food alla proper irukadu. There's a lot of things, there are disadvantages, advantages. So I would say like watch a lot of YouTube tutorials, like watch a lot of YouTube videos about my college. I know a few juniors of mine who do good work. I can tag them. I'll tell them.
Okay.
You can tag them down.
They have the YouTube channel.
They sit and answer every single question. I don't have patience.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. There's a lot of nice juniors. I've never met them, but I know I follow them, so I know them. I'll talk to them. They answer every single Q&A questions. Plus they earn also. So I was like, it's a good thing. Okay, they do that. Plus, see, watch them, learn from them, do a advantage and a disadvantage list, and
Very
then
important.
decide. And then decide. Don't be like, தாத்தா சொல்லிட்டாரு பாட்டி சொல்லிட்டாங்க என் நாய்க்குட்டி சொல்லுச்சு. Because if you're putting something from your mom and dad pocket, make sure you double it, triple it, and then give them back. Okay, it's not easy. Adulthood. You need to double and triple it and then give them back and make them settle in life. So you have a lot of pressure. Okay, you're just not. It's not like school. You're not just going, coming back, studying. While you open your book, you'll remember 50 lakhs. plus books also. Books are very expensive. I would recommend you to get second-hand books.
Second-hand book. Like save money, guys. Save money basically.
Save money,
Aama.
option deleted.
Second-hand books is little fine than the new books, right?
But in general, you can't save money. But it's hard. I would say like don't go every single weekend outside. Rather, you can just go to the beach, chill, and then come back. I've eaten hostel food for very long. It's okay. Minimalistic is the new lifestyle. For me. For you, if you have money, you can go. Plus, make sure if you have good friends. If the circle is not good, if you feel there are toxic people, just leave. Nobody's gonna get it.
I highly agree on this point. If you feel anyone is giving you that negative energy or making you feel down, it's time to leave that person.
You know what? Like I felt bad. Like I had a small problem in my friend group, so I felt bad. I was like, oh, I know them for 1 year. What will they think? They don't give a damn about you. They don't even give this much about you. They left you just like that. But you will be thinking about it. You will be pondering about it. I know it's hard, but But the thing is, if you are gonna stay in hostel or you're gonna stay survive on your own, you need to respect yourself. First thing. That's what self love. First thing is self love. You need to respect yourself. Respect yourself enough to leave the gang. Okay, it's not easy, but you need to respect yourself to leave the gang. There are a lot of good things over there, less are bad things. I would say make a list. So I would say first thing, if you do, watch a lot of videos, or else you can apply Georgia for a nice infrastructure,
Okay.
or any other place. But list the things and make sure you double and triple it when you grow up, and then give it to them. It's a good thing because the patient levels for your parents as well as yourself is going to be hard, because it's going to take years to you to complete almost, I think, 4.5. Again you have to write FMG, then you have to prepare for it, so it'll almost then do a PG, then only you'll get something in your hand, so it will take around 8 to 10 years to get settled down.
So guys, after seeing this video, take all the points that she said, decide like whether you have to do or not, say disadvantage, advantages, money also, the things, everything, just sort out and then decide that you want to do or not. This video is going to be very useful for those who complete their 12th and they're confused between engineering and medical. So for them also, I'm telling you guys, please watch this video from the start till the end.
And a
It's
last
a long
advice
video.
would be, see, if I and her are staying in the same place and we have problem, just call your old friend back home, anybody, mom, dad, anybody whom you are comfortable, share. Because I've studied psychiatry, so the importance of that is, if you share, you start, if you listen to your own voice, it will reduce your stress. You will not remember, or else write it down in a piece of paper, tear it, because you'll have a lot of fights with your roommates, you'll have a lot of fights in your hostel, you'll have a lot of drama going on there. So sometimes you won't be able to share. So write it down, or speak to somebody, or speak to a therapist. Therapist I wouldn't say, because your best friend is your best therapist. Plus, choose your best friend properly. It depends on that also. If he's like, God.
True.
Okay, go out, have girls' time, have boys' time. If you have boyfriends, also it's fine. But make sure you have a green flag, not a red flag.
So consider all this advice, guys,
Yeah.
always.
Enjoy your life. Stay healthy. Go to gym.
Go to gym.
Or else you'll get fat.
So this video is like a pretty long video, guys. So thanks for watching. This video, I really hope that this video is useful, because we have talked about this MBBS thing, stress, life. We also talked about life, friends, and also it's going to be very, very, very useful for the people around age like 17 or 18 who wants to join college. So hope this video was helpful, and then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, Blessy signing off.
Bye.
Archana is also signing off. So bye bye.